Hi all, I'm Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com and I'm going to talk about building your website today. And this is part of my Loendi Live Wednesday that I did on 17 March. And this will be the link just to remind you all the things that I mentioned in my Loendi Live show. First, building your website. First, we have to choose and buy the domain name, and that I already mentioned to you the previous week. We have to set up hosting, as all our products and all our websites or domains need hosting to be an effective website. And we have to set up our email app. So let's look what do we need in each of these areas. So set up hosting. When you think of set up hosting, you must make sure that you have a good host to do the websites. Every site needs a web hosting. So choose a reliable web host that you know is good and you won't have any trouble with. Check what are their downtime, because you need your website to be open and available 24 hours every day. So check if they have support. If you have any issues, you must be able to contact them, or even like I do with my host, live chat, and they immediately fix the problem. So you can also look at, do they have a good reputation? If you look at the reviews about the hosting and about how they host and what other people are saying, you will also get an idea of their reputation and is it somebody that you can trust to host your domain. Now choose and buy a domain name. I think I mentioned this before, but just to remind you again, keep your domain name short. It must be easy for people to pronounce and easy to remember. If it's unique and brandable to you, people will also remember what you're selling, what your service is, and they will remember this is your name to fit with your website. Only use .com. There's .org, .net, .club, .education or edu, but .com is the official sites that everybody use and is very popular. So if you look for a domain name, you might not get one easy, but you can always change and revamp your name to fit to your site with .com. And lastly, think long term. 1 to 3 years ahead. If you have a good website and you have good products and all of a sudden your website and your products that you're selling and your business explodes, what do you want to do? In 1 to 3 years ahead, you still want to use your website, you still want to grow your business, so think ahead. Don't only think for I'll start today and I'll see how it goes and what is happening. Just think long term and where you want to be after 1, 3 or even 5 years from today. Setting up your email address. Even with emails, you use a branded email. It's much more professional, it's more organized, and it builds relationships. People understand you and they can trust you because you have a branded email, and it's more like a business, and also it's more personal. If you have a branded business and you can email them and they can email you, it's like you're talking to a friend, talking to some client that trusts you. Now, Groovefunnels. Groovefunnels is a one-stop shop software solution. And I've been using Groovefunnels since last year and I'm very happy with this. And that's why I'm happy that I can also ask you guys to sign up for free. Everything under one roof. The new name is officially now going to be Groove, but it's the same thing that I've been using. So this is Groovefunnels. Can your website builder do all of these? Yes, and it's free. The last online sales system you ever need. And this is true. They're not finished with all their apps, but it's still in beta, but we're getting there. And I'm happy with what I have at the moment. So sign up for free. This is my link. If I miss it below or you can't get it below, this is the link. Just type this link in your browser and you can sign up for free. So I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com. where I provide advice, training and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. So give me a like, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell not to miss my next video, as it will be continuing with building your business online. So check out the links below and click on the links, sign up and start your homework. I'll see you next time on the other side of the screen.